Hi, I'm Sanghamitra. I'm a physiotherapist having 4 years of experience in ergonomics and preventive health. How to avoid back pain while working at house. That's a very important thing because we only think sitting for a long time only causes back pain, but no. When we cook, we stand for a long time. That is one of the reasons which causes back pain. So what we can do is, if we are cooking for long, we should take breaks and sit in that break. That is when your back is relieved for that long standing stress. What you can do, if you are cooking something and between you need to cut something, take a chair, sit and cut. So again your back, the position changes, the load of your back changes, and you will be relieved. Secondly, if you need to stand for a little long, take a small stool next to you. So don't put your both the foot on the floor at a time. Like one has to be up and one has to down. So the weight keeps shifting. So your back is not strained for longer time. So this is one of the way you can avoid. Secondly is while we do cleaning the house, that is soaping or mopping, sweeping and mopping both the time. Sweeping is one thing that we commonly bend forward and do it for long. Okay, so what you can do, you have to use a long handle, so where you can reach the corners or you can reach everywhere without bending. So that can be done. Mopping, yes, now we all most probably prefer using a long handle to mop. So avoid bending and mopping rather than use a long handle which makes your back straight and to mop. Third is washing clothes. Washing clothes, if you are not using a washing machine to wash the clothes, we bend and do it. We try to rinse the clothes, we bend forward for longer time and keep bending and lifting, bending and lifting. That actually causes a very stress and overload to your back. So if you need to do that, squat down, squat on the floor, take the much lower bucket, which is very easy to put the cloth into it and then do it. That is much more safer than bending and doing it. Fourth more common thing that I have seen is many people come to me for the back or a shoulder pain immediately after any heavy lift. So what happens if you are cleaning the house or we are shifting from place to place? What happens? There are a lot of big luggages that we need to shift. So lifting, don't try to burden yourself, take help. And secondly, as I told, you should be avoid bending and lifting, rather squat down, take with both the hand and do it. And if it's an overhead lifting, always try to take a high stool or a ladder, pick it from your almost the same level, then come down. That is much easier than doing an overhead lifting. Overhead lifting always causes pain to your shoulder and your neck region, which might not, it's not only causes strain, sometimes it also causes ligament injury and also tendon injuries. So that has to, because it's a sudden, when you lift it suddenly, it goes to a twisting movement, which again causes pain around your joints. So to avoid that, always try to have a high stool, lift it at your same level, then come down, and always take help. Don't overburden yourself.